Hey, what's up everybody? It is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020, which means we're ready for TNT today. Okay, lots of questions have been out there on community, social media, emails, text messages, and everybody's been talking about the new IED curriculum update. Okay, lots of questions regarding software and update training. So what I'm going to go ahead and do today is just take a look at what you can do to basically go out there and update yourself and get yourself sort of ready for 2020-2021 school year with IED. All right, so what we're going to do is we're just going to start out right here. My PLTW, go into courses. You're going to be seeing that we have our original courses, which is just the IED student version of it, and then we have the IED teacher guide, but you're also going to be seeing that these have shown up. All right, so this is IED new. This is the new student version of it. And then we have the new IED teacher guide. That is a new version of it. So back on April 1st, April 2nd, okay, if you notice that some things just sort of popped in here in courses, that was Unit 1 of the new IED curriculum. Okay, and then along back, it was at the beginning of the month, so May 1st, we saw Units 2, 3, and 4. So if you're looking at this and you're saying, wait a minute, he's only talking about 4 units, you're right. Okay, the new IED curriculum for 2021 has 4 units, and we've been dealing now with 10 units, for quite a long period of time. But yes, we're switching back over to a 4-unit curriculum. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to jump right into the IED teacher guide, the new teacher guide. And what you're going to be taking a look at when you get here is if you come down here, you're going to be taking a look and seeing the new 2021 update training resources. When you jump in here and pick on welcome to update training resources, the first thing we're going to be looking at, okay, are these resources here. So it's basically going to be telling us, hey, what is new? You got a downloadable agenda that is there. The new experience that we have, it's going to go out there and sort of, break that up and take a look at the definition, the emphasis of sort of what the IED curriculum is taking care of, so you can read up on that. All right, also going to be talking about Fusion 360, why we're going to Fusion 360 for IED, and then just taking a look at some of the key benefits, of the new IED. You're going to see we're talking a lot more hands-on approach, projects and problems. I think that it's really doing a pretty good job of explaining why we're going out there and doing some of the activities and projects that we are. So it's a pretty good definition to that. Still taking a look at CAD and how that's being used as a tool, so you can go out there and take a peek at that. All right, the next thing that's out here are the fundamentals of PLTW Engineering. All right, so you can sort of read up on that, but the biggest change you're going to be seeing here is our course sequencing. So IED and POE were always considered to be our foundation level courses. All right, that has now since changed. Okay, and we are now seeing that EES, which is our Engineering Essentials course, is now considered to be our first year course or our survey course. Our specialization courses, we have seen that IED and POE have pushed over with our traditional courses like DE, CEA, SIM. Those are now our years 2 through 3 courses. Those are specialization courses. And then we can still see that EDD is our capstone course, and that is there for year 4. So the sequence has changed. Okay, there's been a lot of people that have gone out there saying, hey, we already have a school that's set up with IED as our survey course or our foundation level course. I think we've gone out there and I've seen emails from PLTW saying, hey, if you've got something that's already established, you may continue on doing that. Just know that we do have a new survey course, and that is Engineering Essentials. Okay, so just some more additional resources here. You can just sort of take a look at, IED, some of the resources that are available there, career learning, design challenges, those knowledge and skills that are transportable from one course to the other, and then you can see that wrap up is there. This third one here, course preparation updates. This seems to be where I'm sending a lot of people to answer their questions. All right, and people have been talking about this for quite some time. Yes, IED is switching from Inventor over to Fusion 360. Okay. So if you just read the first line there underneath software, it says that Fusion 360 is the new supported software. It doesn't mean you still can't use Inventor, because you can. Just know that the actual curriculum in the course is supporting Fusion 360. So that means the resources that you're going to be finding within the actual curriculum are going to be supporting Fusion 360. Okay, you are not going to be seeing resources out there supporting Inventor. However, All right, you are going to be finding files that you can use in Inventor as well as Fusion 360. I've already started noticing that as I've been taking a look at the new curriculum. Okay, so a big link that you're going to have to know is this PLTW software. When you pick on that, it's going to be taking you out to the 2021 technical requirements. For IED, we come down here, we look at PLTW Engineering, we come down, pick on IED, and this is what you're going to be seeing. So here's a core training preparation checklist. That's always a good thing to take a look at, but the really important one that we need to know here is this one. Okay, so these are the directions here for installing Fusion 360 in a lab. So this might be something that you go out there and you show to your IT department if you have one within your school to make sure that your lab is set up for getting Fusion 360 installed. The next one here is the actual account creation link. All right, so you're going to have to go out there and create an account for Fusion 360, and this is going to be giving your students the capability of creating parts with Fusion 360 outside the classroom, like on a Chromebook, or whatever computer they're deciding to use. All right, so what I've been told is pay special and close attention, okay, to the steps when you're going out there to create your Fusion 360 account. All right, make sure you're taking this step by step, make sure your kids are doing it right so there are no problems as you're moving ahead. Okay, hardware requirements, you can take a look at that out there as well, and then just your do's and don'ts if you're going into core training and some of the tech prep that comes along with that. All right, so as we jump back in here to courses, the next thing you're going to be seeing is your software training. So many of you might have never used Fusion 360. I mean, I hadn't used it all that much. So what we have here is when you pick on this introduction to Fusion 360, it's going to take you out to a PDF. Okay, what PLTW is telling you is to come out here, and what you're going to be seeing is right here at step 1, it says to get started, click this unique link. Okay, that unique link will automatically log you into Solid Professor, okay, using your PLTW credentials. Follow the steps. It's going to tell you you have to go out here and do these 4 sections. So you're going to go out there and you're going to knock that out. Okay, that's going to take, like they're saying, an hour and 35 minutes. Just know as you're doing these lessons, you're also going to have to go out there and take a review test, okay, in order to receive credit, that you have successfully done that section. Okay, moving on, you're also going to see that there are other parts, as you read down here below, that you also have to do as Solid Professor. Okay, what you're going to be doing is once you are done with those, like if you're going into core training this year, you need to go out there and you need to have 2 different certificates printed out, okay, once you complete all this with Solid Professor. Okay, those 2 certificates are this Fusion 360 Sketching Technical Certificate and the 2019 Fusion 360 Features and Part Design Technical Certificate. So there's actually 2 parts, okay, that you have to knock out and have certificates for. Okay, if you're a current IED teacher, go out there, take a look at it. Solid Professor is set up very, very well. It's going to help you transition from the Inventor over to the Fusion 360 environment. Okay, and then if you're wanting to just go beyond, there's some other portions here of Solid Professor you can go out there and take a look at, help to provide you the training that you need. Okay, so that's basically everything that you need to know as far as Fusion 360, and transitioning over to the new 2021 school year. Okay, when we jump back here, you can also see that now 3D printers are a big part of the IED curriculum. I believe that now there's a new partnership with Dremel, and Dremel has 3D printers. I'm hearing really good things about them. If you are wanting to go out there and purchase a Dremel 3D printer, okay, here's how you can go out there and get started with it. Okay, a lot of people are asking the question, do we have to have a specific Dremel 3D printer? The answer is no. So if you already have existing 3D printers, you may use those, but if you are needing a new one, maybe Dremel is something you can take a look at. All right, so there is all that. That is a big, big page. My PLTW Store. Okay, that's the next biggest question I've been hearing about. And when we take a look at the My PLTW Store, if it decides to load, of course it's going to be asking me that. But once you get into the My PLTW Store, what you're going to be seeing is that it has already been updated for the 2021 school year. So if you go out to Store, okay, what you can do is go out there and you can pick your site, and then once you have your site selected, you can go in there and get things sort of ready for your 2021 school year. So you can build a list. You can come down here to engineering, pick on IED, and you can see it is new for the 2021 school year. Okay, you can go out there and you have a choice. You can say, do you have an existing course or a new course? I'm just going to go ahead and say I have a brand new course and I have 24 students and I want full sets per classroom. You can pick on the customized list. And now what it is going to be telling you is all the materials that you are going to need, okay, if you are starting a brand new IED course. Now, if you're a person that has an existing IED course, what you're going to have to do is to go out there, take inventory of what you currently have in your classroom or lab, and then just start cross-referencing what they're saying here. Okay, so a lot of the stuff you might already have, all right? You just have to sort of go through that, okay? But there are a lot of new materials out there. You're going to see funny things out there like, coffee makers. You're going to be seeing Vex IQ. That's a new big part of it. You're going to be seeing 3D printers. So if you're sort of getting sticker shock, just make sure you're going through and filtering out everything that you already have in order to go out there and sort of figure out what you need. All right, so really take a look at it. But I think the whole point is, here is that my PLTW Store has been updated for 2021. Okay, and I think that's basically everything that you really sort of need to know. All right, other than that, that's the time when you can go out there and start taking a look at your 4 units that are making up IED. We have Unit 1, which is Design and Problem Solving. Unit 2, which is Assembly Design. Unit 3 is Thoughtful Product Design. Unit 4 is going to be Making Things Move. Okay, and just don't forget, on the student side, you have that very important tab out there called Student Resources. Everything is sort of laid out. That's all your really, really helpful stuff. So anyway, that is it. All right, so that is update training for PLTW for the new IED curriculum. A lot of people were expecting this to be something that was online and you can take. That might have been in the original plans, but as of right now, this is on your own. That's why everything was released so early back in April and at the beginning of May, so you can go out there and start taking a look at it and sort of getting things ready for the 2021 school year. So there you go. That was a lot of information in a little bit of time, as always with TNT today, but I'm hoping that that's going to be helping you get ready for the new 2021 school year. Getting all the resources, all the materials that you need, and getting ready for the new curriculum. So there you go. That's it for TNT today. I'll see you soon.